Hello and welcome to this introduction to the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. This challenge consists of 30 drawings, exercises, and there's a couple of mini projects too. This challenge will help you to develop any 2D CAD-based skills. We've enhanced this around the AutoCAD package. AutoCAD is a great package to use if you're just starting out as a beginner, or maybe you're an intermediate draftsman and you're in the early stages of your career. This challenge is an actual challenge to help develop you on a personal level and develop your future skills. What's unique about this challenge is that you get a discussion and a platform which helps explain each scenario on a daily basis, coming out on the same day. So the aim is that we have the drawings will come out at 9 AM UK time, and at 6 PM UK time there will be a further video which will explain how I created the challenge and how I solved the challenge using some reverse engineering techniques. This challenge is meant to be a bit of fun. It's to help develop your skills across 30 days. This is quite a new area that I wish to explore, and it's been something I've been keen in my teaching practice on my job to help enhance learners using different CAD softwares from a remote location. So some of the prerequisites you may already have, which is something like use of AutoCAD, and you can use any AutoCAD variation of this software. A lot of the software that we will teach you is the up-to-date version of AutoCAD 2021. However, there are the skills and techniques of the toolbars in AutoCAD which haven't changed in the last 10 years. During the explanation, we'll also explain to you how some of the tools have changed during the updates over the last couple of years. So if you are using an older version, you're still going to be fine with us. If you don't have a copy of AutoCAD and you're interested, quite simply, if you go to AutoCAD, so if you are from an educational background, you can apply and get eligibility for an Autodesk educational account, which just needs you to confirm you are a student or you are studying on a course. Once Autodesk approve it, you can then access any of their software within the product range. And this can be from engineering software to construction to even media-based software as well. If you're new to AutoCAD, AutoCAD also do a subscription where you can either apply monthly, which is at currently today's price, £246, or annually at just under £2,000. There's also different options available for you from a commercial use. You just got to contact AutoCAD. So, as I said, across the challenge, okay, hopefully you've seen my little intro to this, trying to hype up and getting people involved. But this is coming out on across a 30-day basis. Each day, you will hopefully learn a new skill, technique, or even maybe a new feature within AutoCAD that you didn't know. Across each activity, we've embedded maybe 5 or 6 skills per day, and hopefully over the course of 30 days, you'll just keep being able to go over these skills and help you then to ingrain them into your everyday practice. So across the skills, they will come out to you via YouTube, and I've now opened up the AutoCAD 30-day challenge featured toolbar on my home screen of the platform. Hopefully, if you've seen the advert or the introduction that I've placed across YouTube, hopefully you have subscribed, and hopefully if you hit the notification bell, you actually get a notification every time that I upload. So far, we have recorded well over 2/3 of the challenge, and this will enable us to hopefully get some feedback so we can finish off the final third across next week. If you can comment or like or give us any improvements that you wish to see over the challenge, is also something that we can bring in. So looking forward to it. Hopefully you have some good fun, and hopefully you then develop over the course of 30 days across the different exercises and challenges. So any comments you wish to leave, please leave it below. Okay, and I look forward to working with you across May in developing our skill sets. Thanks for now. See you very, very soon.